Thank you very much for being here. It's my great pleasure to be invited and be on the main stage in front of you guys. Unlocking cross-chain potential with Chainlink CCIP. This is the topic I wanted to share with you today. This is what I wanted to discuss, and I really wanted to show you how Chainlink and CCIP technology can impact the market, can impact the place we are all building. CJ, see you at XSwap, and let me jump straight into the presentation. So, why do we need the cross-chain infrastructure? Do you mind switching that off? So, the need for seamless cross-chain infrastructure comes from the fact that currently what you can see in the space is fragmented user bases, fragmented protocols, and fragmented funds. The DeFi applications are pretty hard to reach out for users from remote ecosystems, and when you have users on base, they cannot easily participate in protocols on Arbitrum. It is pretty hard. The need for cross-chain infrastructure is solved by Chainlink CCIP solution. Chainlink helps addressing this fragmentation issue, allowing you as a DeFi protocol to speak between different blockchains and to transfer messages and funds in a secure top-level security, 5-level security manner. You are able to transfer funds between blockchains and also messages. And in the end, execute programmable token transfers, which helps executing smart contract on the destination chain. With Chainlink CCIP, you can have address problem of fragmentation, and the network can look like this, where you can see users, funds, and application can speak between different ecosystems, and you can onboard liquidity, onboard user bases from remote blockchains, from remote ecosystems. Chainlink CCIP is the core of what XSwap is doing, and XSwap, as a cross-chain ecosystem provider, we utilize Chainlink CCIP to the extent we make sure that all our features or our products are based on top of Chainlink CCIP technology. One of the products that we do have is the bridge, token bridge that allows you to transfer CCIP-enabled tokens between different blockchains. We have huge transactions here going on. And on top of that, we've managed to build a cross-chain swap product that helps you to transfer and swap, convert any ERC20 token into other ERC20 token between different ecosystems. This is the core architecture, which I will show you in a moment. And on top of that, we've built another products like XPay SDK, XPay widget. And today, I will be showing you the new things like XSwap direct staking and XSwap RWA marketplace. So let me show you first the core architecture, or what is inside XSwap and how we utilize Chainlink CCIP in the backbone, and why it enables these unique approaches and unique solutions that can be deployed with our technology. The core architecture involves the swapping solution powered on top of the centralized exchanges, like 1inch, who was before here, or Odos. And we are able to transfer any ERC20 token into the liquid token that we can transfer freely across Chainlink CCIP. Afterwards, using Chainlink CCIP, we are able to transfer that value and the information what is needed to be done in the destination chain. So with programmable token transfers, we can program what will happen in the desired blockchain. And in this example, user is swapping wrapped ETH into the link token from Ethereum to base blockchain. This core architecture allows us to build multiple solutions, starting with the cross-chain bridge and swap I've mentioned before, which focus on the easy user interface that allows you to transfer value across blockchains, transfer money in a secure manner, which so far generated over $160 million in volume, and we are the leading platform in the CCIP usage. We also ensure that this interface can be integrated into third-party applications. So if you are building, if you are looking on how to onboard users from remote ecosystems, we have built the XPay SDK just for you. The XPay SDK allows you to hook into your existing front end and onboard liquidity on board users from remote ecosystem. In this example, you can see Nakamoto Games integration that allows you to purchase the Nakamoto Games token directly on Polygon, but paying with any ERC20 token from other blockchains like Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum, and others supported on Chainlink CCIP. The XPay SDK can, of course, be also styled to make sure that it fits your branding, it fits your needs, and extended with some smart contract execution. So we can imagine here cross-chain staking, we can imagine cross-chain collateral deposit, we can imagine cross-chain solutions that can interact with any arbitrary smart contract in a permissionless manner. Further on, we took our core architecture and core solution and bring the XPay widget, which can fit the platform directly in the user interface, hook into the current Web3 modal integration, current wallet integration that project have, style it in a way that protocol can see it as a white label solution, and we can provide for the protocols the ability to execute cross-chain transactions on their front end, giving them extra fees and revenue sharing on top of that. And these are the core products we've built at XSwap in our ecosystem. And our ecosystem is continuously growing. We make sure that we can deliver more and more products on top of Chainlink CCIP and hook the current user base that we have, the current buying pressure, people who are aware of Chainlink CCIP community that is looking for the security in the cross-chain transactions. And we are building more solutions on top of that. I'm super proud to announce the launch of direct staking here from the stage. The direct staking is another tool built on top of Chainlink CCIP that will help users to interact with layer 2 to layer 1 staking protocols. It allows you to stake directly in the Ethereum vault without the need of transferring your funds from layer 2 to layer 1. And in the end, it simplifies the whole process. It helps you to do it in a quick, decentralized manner with the ease and with low transaction fees, which is crucial. Here we are partnering with Chainlink and Lido to announce this today. And in the short future, there will be more and more protocols that will be available on our website in the direct staking to allow them reach and target users who have funds on decentralized blockchains, on layer 2s, on blockchains that are cheaper, that are still very important, so we can onboard their token, their staked asset, wrapped stake asset, in that blockchain for the user. And the second thing I really wanted to speak about here today is the RWA trend and RWA market. I believe you have seen a lot of panels and talks about this topic in the conference, and it is because it is an extremely important market. And here, especially at SmartCon, we are aware that traditional finance and their value will eventually come into the DeFi space, into the crypto space. RWA market is extremely rapidly growing market, estimated to be $16 trillion by 2030. And we at XSwap really wanted to provide a solution that would allow those tokenized assets and token issuers, protocols, projects that help with the tokenization to reach out the broader liquidity. So today, not only I'm announcing the direct staking, but I'm also announcing the XSwap RWA marketplace, a platform which allows you as a user to purchase the RWA asset directly from your wallet using any funds that you have. It can be a meme coin, it can be Matic Polygon, it can be some ETH you have on Base. So you does not necessarily need to look up for those assets where they are listed, if they origin from the private blockchain or they are on some unknown space for you. You can utilize XSwap RWA marketplace where we are aimed to aggregate tons of RWA assets thanks to the partnerships with RWA assets providers, tokenization platforms, and ensure that we can expose those RWA assets to cross-chain community, to user base that we already have, and to the transaction volumes and the liquidity that they are looking for. The RWA marketplace itself is focused to bring users and allow them to see their portfolio, manage their portfolio. And in comparison to RWA page on the CoinMarketCap, our goal is to make sure that here you would actually be able to see the real RWA assets and manage your portfolio, explore what assets might be within your interest, have the exposure on the RWA asset trend and assets itself as an investment. And in the long run, the goal is to make sure that we can share the huge market share of the RWA assets and onboard users to those assets class through XSwap. And of course, the cross-chain transactions, which are powering the core architecture of our platform. That is pretty much it, what I got for you today. So thank you very much for being here. Thank you for listening.